Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I'll be taking you around this 2022 Citroen Dispatch. This is a short wheelbase 6-door medium van with 8,000 miles upon the clock, coming to you in white. Now this does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, Bluetooth, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. 3 cloth lined seats on the inside, a 6-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning just there for you as well. Now I will just show you the load area in the back of this van as well. Now as you can see, we have plenty of interior lighting in here, as well as it being ply line, cargo room to tie down any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you the load space from the rear as well. Now as you can see in the rear, we do of course have a clean, pristine and undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Citroen Dispatch, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It is in the description of this video. Or you can head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, if you do live nearby. And then you can come drive this van for yourself, speak to one of our specialists about it. You never know, this could be working for you one day.